What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit golden pocket pattern. It is the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, and these levels was made by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see right here, because we completed all 5 wave structure and we have to have a retracement. And the golden pocket statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal. And as you can see, we have 2 consecutive green days, and depending on your entry price, you might be up for about 4.5%. And it is not the best gains in the crypto world, but still we have this bounce, and I will show you what should we expect next in upcoming days. But right after I made some fundamental research on the entire crypto market. So we are hovering at $1.01 trillion of total market cap. It is a 3.87% increase over the last day, and main cryptocurrencies are in green during last 24 hours. Bitcoin gained about 2.2%, Ethereum about 5.5%, and Binance about 9.5%. But on a 7 days period, we are still in red. Bitcoin lost about 8%, Ethereum lost about 15%, and Binance lost about 9.3%. So we have to be cautious because we are not out of the woods. And let's continue with the crypto.com coin numbers. And for now, it has a total market cap of $11.65 billion. It's up for about 4.34%. And the total tradable volume during last 24 hours is $145.79 million. It is lower than we had previously for roughly 18%. And I have to say that this movement to the upside with a lower volume than we had previously is not the best sign from the technical standpoint. And it is what it is. I just want to warn you that we are not out of the woods. So let's continue with their official Twitter page. We have a bunch of news, and this company is growing slow and steadily. And they have first ever giveaway, and 3 winners will get a pair of VIP luxury suite tickets to a crypto.com arena event on their choice. So next one, they have this news that was published 12 hours ago, and I want to pay your attention on this one because we have good news for the entire crypto industry and for the crypto.com coin in particular. So weekly update, layer 1 and layer 2 news, week 1, the beginning of 2022. And let me quote you the key takeaways. The hash rate of major Bitcoin mining pools neared recovery on Monday, January the 10th, 2021, days after computing power on the network fell following an internet blackout in Kazakhstan. The situation is now almost resolved and the crypto mining data centers are back online. Definitely it is a good news for the entire crypto industry. Next one, Vitalik Buterin has shared a new proposal called Multidimensional EIP 1559. If adopted, the update would affect Ethereum's gas fee markets and the base fee charged for different resources within the Ethereum virtual machine. Also, it is a very good news, but this news is a long-term catalyst and it might take place in a matter of several months. Next one, built by team behind Etherscan, Chronoscan brings the most popular block explorer to Chronos, providing access to advanced features such as charts, developer API endpoints, and smart contract verification. Kronos saw a 7.27% increase in total transactions to 10.18 million and a decrease of TVL to 1.82 billion, negative 7.61% week on week. The total number of wallet addresses now stands at 316,910, up 2.61% from last week. And I have to say that these news are very bullish on Kronos. And we have to patiently wait how deeply this news will affect the price of crypto.com coin. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we hit this golden pocket and it is a very good accumulation point for the long-term investors, for those of you who want to buy and forget this asset. And if this pivot holds, in a matter of a couple of minutes, I will show you what targets we might hit. But let me show you that on this short period of time, if I switch to 4 hours time frame, we had this higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. And it is the bullish divergence. But also, if I clone this range, we have this channel. And unfortunately, it is a bearish channel because we also have higher highs on RSI with the lower highs on the price action. And this is a hidden bearish divergence. And with this type of pattern, with this bearish channel, we might see the breakout below this support line, and this means we might hit lower targets. So what should you do if you want to enter the position, or if you already entered your position? So if you watch my previous video, I've told you that you should enter your position on this particular range, and you have to put your stop loss slightly below the $0.43. And as you can see, we didn't hit lower targets, and from this point you might be up, as I already mentioned, for about 4.55%. So to be on a safe territory, you can move your stop loss order to the range where you entered your position. And in this case, you will be 100% on the safe territory. And if we will break previous highs, and if, let me show you, if we will break this channel to the upside, it is also possible. This means we will have much higher price targets to hit in upcoming days. And what are the major price targets for investors? And I have to say that as long as this pivot holds of about 43 cents, we can project following targets. Let me switch to daily time frame. And as you can see, we finished all 5 waves in this movement to the upside, and that's why we have the retracement from the very bottom to the very top. And this range is the most probable level of trend reversal. And if this pivot holds, we can project the targets by pulling the Fibonacci extension tool from the same bottom to the same top and to the bottom of the retracement. And if this bottom holds, our first target might be at 0.786 Fibonacci extension level. It is the price point of $1.07. Next one at 1-to-1 extension, and it is $1.25 price point. And the most aggressive one, if we will have an extension in our next wave, it will be a 1.618 extension range and the price point of roughly $1.75. So these are our 3 major targets for those of you who want to invest in this asset. And basically these targets are in play until this pivot holds. And to our first target from our current range, we might have about 136% to this level. Second target might be 174%. And the most aggressive target might give you about 285%. So quite juicy profits, but you have to keep in mind that it is a long-term target. What are the short-term targets for us, for the potential traders, swing traders? Let me show you right here. We have to have at least a pullback to the upside to retrace the entire wave from this top to this bottom. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement level from this top to this bottom, we might hit up to 0.382 retracement level, and it is a 49 cents of price point. and it is not the best price target because we have not more than 8% to this range. But if we will break all the resistances that are above our current price, let me clean the chart a little bit, we might hit this previous swing high, and it should be about 28% of potential profits. And next one, this top, and it is 44.25% of potential profits. So we have two setups for investors and for the swing traders. And as usual, be cautious. But if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!